Hey there, and happy Super Bowl Sunday. Hey, go Cowboys. All right, so where are we? What are we doing? What class is this? Let's go look in class materials because I know y'all are looking through the syllabus, right? You're just not ignoring the syllabus. So let's see. Let's see what's going on this week. La 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 la. So we are, ooh, that kind of scares me. We got an exam, oh, and a project. So let's go see what all this is all about. So lecture videos, notes, we must be in week 4. There's week 4. All right, so week 4 assignments due by 2/10, 11:59. Do not procrastinate. You procrastinate, you better not procrastinate. Let's look at the project first. So project 1, information. Here is a Excel file. So eventually that will probably open somewhere. We'll get back to that. And then here are the actual instructions. Okay, so basically what you're going to do is everything you've learned so far, you're going to put together a nice little report. Okay, and it's about these treadmills. So you're looking kind of at, you know, what are the demographics for these people that prefer treadmills? And let me see, has it opened yet? Good gosh, that's taking forever. There we go. And so you have all this information, and the other page says what all this stuff means, but of course you have a different product, okay, based on pretty much their level. You have age, you have gender. Education is like if it's 12, they just finished high school, 13, 1 year of college, 14, 2 years of college, and so on. Marital status, usage, somewhere on here it says, oh, self-rate, fitness, 1, 2, 5. So the fitness, but then the usage, I don't know, I see the usage. I don't know what that number means. I don't know what that number means. I guess how many hours they're going to be using it. I don't even know if you use that one anyway. And then average number of times they plan to use a treadmill each week. That's what that is. And then, of course, how much money they make because you want to sell them the bigger product, and how many miles that they actually expect to run. So usage was the average number of times they plan to use the treadmill each week. All right, so here is kind of the overview of what you're going to be reporting. And then be sure I just go through each one of these to ensure that you get everything answered. Discuss each variable. So I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 variables. So you're going to go through quantitative versus qualitative, nominal, ordinal, interval, or ratio, all that good stuff. A customer profile for each treadmill. So in other words, now you're going to summarize. It says a minimum of 1 table. So you might just kind of group some people together and say, well, it looks like more males use this treadmill and so on. Definitely graphs. Typically students will do the men versus women in a pie graph. Percentages, maybe income levels. I don't want to tell you exactly what to do. I want you to kind of study the data set and see what you get out of it. Then really get into your summary statistics, okay, so descriptive statistics, and be sure you only have to do age, education, miles, income, fitness for each treadmill. So however you want to do this, a lot of times students will do, there's 3 treadmills, they'll do 3 tables, and then they'll do a total. So that's kind of up to you. And then the empirical rule stating these percentages here for income and miles and explain what they actually mean. Do not turn in Excel, only turn in a report. So it should be a Word document. All right, so once again, here is all the data. So be sure you get this data sheet. So there's 180, right? Because the top row is probably names, yeah. Okay, so when you get through your project, I'd probably do my project first because I think it will help you for the test. So you will submit it here, okay, by midnight. So if you don't get it, say if it's 12:01 and you didn't get it submitted, then that's going to disappear. You won't be able to see that. All right, so then let's go back here to the exam. So exam 1 information says you must complete the test in 1 setting. There are 40 questions and it is timed 2 hours. So Don't have people messing with you. Don't, well, I was up at the school on campus and I lost my internet. Be sure you're on a good connection. Okay, so if you get knocked out, it's going to submit it. So as you can see, 40 questions from these chapters. There's some definitions. There's going to be some data where you need to find the mean, median, mode, and standard deviation and all that good stuff. So what I probably would do is have an Excel spreadsheet open so you can do that type stuff fairly quickly. All right, and that's it for the week. So have a great week. Hopefully you haven't procrastinated on the stuff due tonight because I'll be watching the Super Bowl. All right, you guys have a great week, and I'll see you online.